Hi, my name is Avi, and I'm from the Enscribe team. In this video, we'll see how to use the Foundry library to name a contract with Foundry script. For this, we'll create a new Forge project. Let's use the Forge init command and call our project contract naming demo. Let's cd into the directory, and let us start by first installing the Enscribe library. Once that's done, we'll also install the OpenZeppelin contracts. Now let us open our project in an editor like Vim. You can use any editor you want to. I'm using Vim. This is our project structure. Now, in the root directory, we want to first create a remappings.txt file. This is to help Forge resolve the paths to the library. And in here, we paste our remappings for both Enscribe library and OpenZeppelin contracts. After we save that, let us open the sample counter contract that was generated by Forge. In here, let us first import the ownable contract from OpenZeppelin. Next, we'll make the counter contract ownable. And this is so uh, because the deployer of this contract needs to take ownership. That is why we need to import and use ownable contract. And we do this by implementing a constructor inside our contract that calls the ownable constructor and passes message.sender, which is caller of the transaction. Once that is done, let us open the script file that we'll use to deploy and name the contract. As we can see, the script is already generated. In here, we'll first import a helper from Enscribe, which is ENS. And using a simple one-liner, we can set the name of our contract. The function that we are going to use to name our contract is setName, which accepts three parameters. First is the chain ID on which the contract is to be named. Second is the address of the contract that is to be named. And third, the full ENS name, which is the subname and the parent domain. Once we add this line, we can now run the forge script command to deploy the contract. And we are going to deploy this contract on Sepulia, as suggested by the chain ID 111555111. So we forgot to pass in an initial value of the counter. So we run the script. Great. A script has run. The contract is deployed. Here is the contract address. We'll copy this and head over to Enscribe and paste the contract address. As you can see, this page shows us the details of the contract that we just deployed. And primarily, it shows the primary name of the contract that we just set. And that is how you can easily use the Enscribe library to name your contract using a Foundry script. Thank you.